Hi, welcome to this week's blogging tip. I'm Kirsten, and like many bloggers, I have tried to find the magic formula that makes a blog post go viral. Today we'll talk about whether that is possible. Can you make a blog post go viral, or does it just kind of happen? There are a lot of so-called social media experts who claim to be able to make anything go viral. They post these ads on Facebook and Instagram saying they hold the key to what it takes. All you have to do to get that information is either pay for an ebook or sign up for a course. I'm skeptical of anyone who claims to have the magic solution because I don't believe a magic solution actually exists. I believe that a viral blog post results from a convergence of several elements. I have had a couple of blog posts go viral. I will tell you about the factors that I think led to one of these instances. I wrote the blog post in June of 2015. At the time, the Ontario education system was in crisis, facing cuts that would have severely impacted the ability of teachers to do their jobs safely. Predictably, this always happens during education crises. There were people who were highly critical of the teachers. They were saying the usual things. Teachers only work a few hours a day. Teachers get summers off. Teachers are lazy and just want more money. And I wrote this blog post in support of teachers. I presented the position that teachers are not in fact lazy, that they are heroes who don't wear capes, and that this wasn't even about money. It was about their ability to do their job. So that was the first thing. I wrote about a topic that was big in the news. Everyone was talking about it. And with teacher strikes on the horizon, every parent in the province had a stake in the news. People were actively searching for information about this, and I got a lot of blog traffic from Google. It was important to me to get the message out as far and wide as I could. Teachers were being slammed with criticism, and I didn't think it was fair. I wanted my message to be read not only by teachers who deserved something positive, but also by parents and members of the general public who may not have had a true understanding of the issues. And that was a factor. I had a strong passion for this message. I wrote from the heart using mine and my kids' experiences in the school system. And I think that is so important. The blog posts that go viral have a voice of authenticity and passion. Another factor was the fact that the viewpoint I was expressing was probably not controversial, but highly debated. A lot of people agreed with me, but many didn't, and they were eager for messages they could argue with. So in that sense, my blog post appealed to people on both sides of the debate. What really did it for me, I think, was who I shared the post with once I'd published it. I have many friends who are teachers. I have been quite heavily involved in school councils and special education committees for some years, and I really felt for the teachers because of the pasting they were taking. One in particular was taking this very hard, so I sent her a link to the blog post just to cheer her up, just to let her know, hey, you know what? There are people who are on your side and who have your back. That teacher sent the blog post to the teachers' union that represented her. The teachers' union sent it on to every other teachers' union in the province, which means that just about every teacher read, commented on, and shared that blog post. Engaging with the literal thousands of comments kept me very busy, and it also kept the blog traffic flowing for some time. At the end of the day, I didn't write that blog post with the intention of it going viral. I wasn't saying to myself, hey, I'm going to write a viral post. But the right ingredients were all in place for this to happen. My message to you is that going viral shouldn't be your purpose. Your purpose should be to impart a message that is important to you. And then if the ingredients for going viral are present, make the most of that. That's it for today. I'll see you on Friday.